Justin, you just won the Emerging Impact Award. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
absolutely. I love the Invest in Others event, but honestly, I want to hear a little bit more about this Moose and Me Baking Company. What is it and who do you serve?
Yeah, so Musumi Baking Company is a bakery that is an inclusive bakery that employs adults of all abilities. We really want to make sure that we have an inclusive work environment in our community, somewhere where a neurotypical or neurodivergent adult can come work and feel that they belong.
And how did you get involved in this initiative?
Yeah, so my wife and I co-founded this nonprofit 5 years ago, inspired by our daughter Mila, who has Down syndrome, and she just loved baking in the kitchen growing up. And we thought, okay, what opportunity is there for her out in the community? And there really just wasn't. And so we decided, well, then let's create that.
Oh, well, that's an absolutely beautiful story. And is she a good cook, most importantly?
She's a great cook. You have to try the chocolate chip cookies.
Oh, absolutely. It's one of my favorites. One more question for you, Justin, before I let you go. What does this recognition mean then from Invest in Others to Moose and Me Baking Company's mission?
Yeah, it's a huge impact. I mean, we are a small nonprofit, so the massive amount of money that's coming to will allow us to open our doors for longer, employ more adults with disabilities, and really grow our community.
Well, fantastic. And congratulations again and
Thank
having
you.
such an impact.
Appreciate it.
For wealthmanagement.com, I'm Shannon Rossick.